Good morning, students. Today we are going to start with our English from lesson number 1, Red Sloppy Lips. This is your English workbook. Let's discover English course book 3. Open it up. इसे open करो. What do you have first in your book? You have a list of lessons as well as poems here. This is called as contents. हमारी पूरी बुक में कितने सारे lessons हैं, कितने poems हैं, आपको इधर यहाँ पर list मिल जाएंगी. So what is the number 1? Red Sloppy Lips. What is the number 1? Red Sloppy Lips. Let's start with our English lesson number 1. Okay. Come to next page, page number 7. This is your page number 7. यहाँ पर page number लिखा है page number 7. Up you have lesson number 1. Red Sloppy Lips. Kids, let's begin with our warm-up exercise. Look at these pictures. What kind of stories would you associate with them? What it is saying? That look at these pictures properly and how would you associate them? I will associate these stories with the mystery. With mystery. So kids, I am going to associate these pictures with the mystery. In the same way, our story Red Sloppy Lips, it is a type of mystery. मतलब बहुत सोचना पड़ेगा. Yes or no? Then come to the next page, page number 8. Page number 8. Let's read our story. Should we start? Read. Victor, a young boy, was riding his bike along an old road and lost his way. So, who is there in our story? A young boy. एक boy है. कौन? Victor. He was riding his bicycle along an old road and he lost his way. वो गुम हो गया. साइकिल राइड करते करते he lost it himself. He stopped and looked around to find his way back. How he wished he had brought a friend along. Just then it began to rain. He pulled his jacket up over his head to help keep the rain away. But it continued to rain heavily and he became wet. His body became numb in the cold rain. Then it began to thunder. So he knew that he must find shelter quickly. So kids, कौन है हमारी स्टोरी में? A young boy named Victor. He was riding his bicycle and he lost his friend. What he wished कि अगर उसने अपने फ्रेंड को लाया होता तो बहुत हेल्प हो जाती. He wished to brought his friend along with him. And just then it started raining heavily. He pulled up his jacket over his head and he began to find a shelter for hiding somewhere. Just after then it began to thunder. मतलब बारिश के साथ साथ क्या होना स्टार्ट किया? बिजली गिरनी स्टार्ट हो गई. He saw a dinghy. What do you mean by dinghy? Dark and dirty. कैसे दिख रहा था उसे सब कुछ? Dark and dirty. He saw a dinghy, big red house and ran onto the porch. What do you mean by porch? A small area at the entrance to a building, covered by a roof and often has walls. See, entrance के आगे सामने छोटी सी जो जगह है, it is said as porch. What did Victor see? He saw a dinghy. It means dark and dirty, big red house, and he ran on to porch. वो रुकने के लिए कहा गया, porch पे जाके खड़ा हो गया. The wind began to howl and blew so hard, and it drove the rain onto the porch, soaking Victor even more. Then बारिश कैसे आती है? धीरे धीरे आती है क्या? No, बहुत ज़ोर से आने लगी बारिश. It was heavy rain and all the raindrops were falling on the Victor. The wind had blown open the house door, so he went inside to get out of the rain. The house was very large and though it was abandoned, dirty and full of cobwebs, it kept Victor dry. What do you mean by abandoned? Means left and no longer wanted or used or needed. It means what happened the next thing कि हवा से डोर ओपन हो गया, ये बिग डिंगी बिग रेड हाउस का डोर ओपन हो गया एंड विक्टर वेंट इनसाइड. ही सी दैट द हाउस वॉज अबैंडन. इट मीन्स कोई उसे यूज़ नहीं करता था. एंड हाउ वॉज द हाउस? वॉज इट अ ब्यूटिफुल? नो, it was very large, it was dirty, it was having cobwebs, but it helped in keeping the Victor dry. मतलब विक्टर को भीगने नहीं दे रहा था. That was the good thing. A big gust of wind blew in the door and then back out again, slamming the door shut. And then just what happened? जैसे हवा से डोर ओपन हो गया था वैसे ही it was shut again. Victor tried to open the door, but the rain had caused the door to swell and he could not open it. What happened? Victor was trying to open the door. He just tried and tried, but because of rain it was swelling. It means वो फूल गया था, है कि नहीं? बारिश की वजह से देखा है कभी कभी डोर हमारा शट हो गया तो ओपन ही नहीं होता, और ओपन रह गया तो जल्द से शट नहीं होता, राइट? इन द सेम वे द डोर वॉज ओपन. Just then he heard a voice call out. And धीरे से तभी उसे क्या सुनाई दिया? A voice, किसी की आवाज़ सुनाई दी. Do you know what I do with my red sloppy lips and my long green fingers? अचानक से उसको किसकी आवाज़ आई? किसी की लाउड वॉइस आई. And what did it said? Do you know what I do with my red sloppy lips? What do you mean by sloppy? लूज एंड रैदर शेपलेस. इट मीन्स उसके लिप्स शेप में है क्या? नो, इट वॉज समथिंग मेस्ड अप लाइक, है कि नहीं? सो वट डिड ही सेड? डू यू नो वट डू आई डू विथ माई रेड स्लॉप्ड लिप्स एंड माई लॉन्ग ग्रीन फिंगर्स? नेक्स्ट टू द डोर वॉज अ लार्ज ग्रीन हैरी मॉन्स्टर. ये वॉइस किसकी थी? मॉन्स्टर की थी. कैसा दिखता है मॉन्स्टर? इट वॉज बिग, लार्ज एंड इट इज़ ग्रीन इन कलर एंड वॉज टोटली हैरी. जैसे डॉग्स के ऊपर हेयर होते हैं ना, वैसे ही इट वॉज हैरी. विथ ह्यूज रेड लिप्स, पॉइंटेड फैंग्स एंड गैंगली लेग्स एंड आर्म्स विथ वेरी लॉन्ग ग्रीन फिंगर नेल्स. विक्टर पैनिक्ड एंड ran down the hall. The monster followed. So what do you mean by fangs? Fangs means two long sharp teeth at the front of the mouth. You can see here. कैसे उसके pointed fangs है, उसके pointed teeth है. गैंगली, व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय गैंगली? टॉल थिन ऑकवर्ड मूवमेंट्स. उसकी मूवमेंट्स कैसी थी? ऐसे टेढ़ी मेढ़ी थी, राइट? देन ही वॉज हैविंग ग्रीन फिंगर नेल्स एंड विक्टर पैनिक्ड. व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय पैनिक्ड? ही वॉज फ्राइटेंड. ही सॉ a green monster with pointed fangs, gangly legs and green fingers. He was totally a green hairy big monster with red sloppy lips. As the victor panicked, he frightened, he ran down the hall. वो हॉल के अंदर और भागा विक्टर, and the monster was following him. Kids, here we are stopping with our explanation. In next video, I will be explaining you the remaining part. Till that, read it. Okay? Bye bye.